Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. This is Sapna here. Hope you all are doing well. In this video, let's learn to paint a beautiful poppy field using watercolors. I'll be painting on a 300 GSM watercolor paper and I'm using a basic set of artist watercolor cakes from Camel. It has 18 shades. So before getting started, I keep water and paper towels handy. And also I prefer to secure the borders of my paper using this washi tape. To begin with, I'll give wet strokes of water. With a very diluted crimson shade, I'm starting to paint the sky portion. And for the grassland, I'll paint first with yellow and then we'll move towards various shades of green. While giving the first wash, I've left portions for the poppy flowers. While this paper is still wet, I'll add another layer of green shades with vertical strokes. I always prefer to work on various layers. Now I'm moving on to adding a darker red shade and yellow onto the sky portion. To add some interest in this background, you can dab some paint without adding strokes. And along the horizon line, I'm adding some darker greenery. Now I'll start filling these portions for poppy flowers. I'll start with lighter version of crimson. While the flowers are getting dried, I'll move on to adding vertical strokes in the foreground of this greenery. Now with the darker crimson shade, I'm marking the petals of these poppy flowers. I prefer to work on various layers so that I get perfect flowers. To make these impressions a bit more darker, I'm adding another layer of green. In certain portions I didn't want clear vertical strokes, so I'm just dabbing it with paper towel and removing the excess paint. I've mixed pink and ultramarine blue to get this violet shade. I'm adding these pollens using a yellow-orange shade. And that's how we completed this beautiful poppy field painting. Hope you all enjoyed watching this video. If you did, please do try it out and let me know how it turned out. And feel free to tag me once you upload the pictures of your creations on your social media pages. I really look forward to seeing your creations. And if you like this video, please don't forget to like, comment and share this video. And if you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing the channel. Thank you so much for watching.